Hi friends, welcome to another unboxing of our Potomac Beads Treasure Edition box. This month is Garden of Love. Woo! This month's subscription treasure bead box, English Garden, is blooming with beauty inspired by romantic florals and rich garden hues. Inside you'll find flower beads, delicate roses, and sparkling crystal rose rivolis in lush reds, purples, and soft floral tones. Each bead was chosen to blend elegance with creative possibility. Let this collection inspire bold, timeless designs with a touch of floral magic. So, Garden of Love laser cut rose with embroidery backing. Oh, interesting. Never tried something like that. Some bicone beads in light rose. Almost my skin color. There we go. Brick red check glass cube beads. Very pretty. Made me think of Red Hot candies. I don't know if you remember them. Some Mayuki 680s, in gold seed beads. So pretty. Like an antique gold. Oh, I've had these before. And this color combo. Love this color combo. Super Duo Beads Love Mix. Yummy! So pretty. Oh my gosh. I love this combo. So pretty. Very, very spring. I dropped one in there somewhere. Oh, what are these? Fancy halo beads. 6mm, 8mm, 10mm opening, and 6mm. Huh, I don't know what these are. This is a new Athena cast. Fancy halo. Oh, I think what you can do is string the bead through it. Yeah, it's like that's right. And then kind of spins around the bead, kind of like that. Oh, that'll be fun. Oh, another yummy quad bow beads. Wow, look at all the 4 holes. Look at that color. So pretty. White lila luster. So much fun. Look at that. Ooh. French hook. Oh, ooh, ear wires in 24 karat gold plating. So the French hook usually doesn't have more than just that bead. No, none of the like the rounded the coil on there. So pretty. Look at these. Rondelles 3x6 check glass smooth and red something. Titles cut off the color. I mean, so pretty. Like a reddish orange. Ooh, look at those. We've had dragon vein agate around 6mm. How beautiful is that? Oh my goodness. Ooh, look at that Rivoli. Rivoli. Woo! Beautiful. Then these are cathedral rondelles, amethyst bronze. Oh. They've got like a purpley, probably can't see it, but when the light hits it just right, there's like a purple hue to it. Oh, check glass carved tile red and silver wash. Very pretty. Look at that fun design. Very big ruby rounds. Ooh, purple pearls. Very pretty. Ooh, look at these buttons. Check glass vintage buttons. Very fun. And wow, look at all those seed beads. These, wow, very nice. I think they're the 11 O's? No, 8 O's, I guess. Yeah. Cool. Very nice. Very nice. And there's my bead that fell down in there, right? All right. Watch for a design on the fly coming soon. Thanks.